tragedy. I burned everybody who had a hand to land. Man burning at both ends. No one put me in this hell. I lit a fire underneath myself. Now I'm blazing the same old trail back to you again. A man burning at both ends. A dangerous thing to know about. No painless way to put me out. You either make a bed that's cold. You're walking barefoot over cold. I regret the things I've done. Better words, fiery tongues and letters turn to smoke and then turn to wind. Man burning at both ends. A dangerous thing to know about. No painless way to put me out. You either make a bed that's cold. You're walking barefoot over cold. We ran barefoot through the reeds, wetted down with the knee. The tide was high, getting higher. Could not put out, man on fire. Look, 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 look down your street for me. Look, 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 look up in your window, please. You'll see a light where before no light had been. A man burning at both ends. You'll see a light where before no light had been. A man burning at both ends.
Lap pace, 10:04. Lap 2, 10:04.
Supposedly it was a wise, wise man who said it's better to have loved than lost than never to have loved at all, than never to have loved. How many times is the truth that you take to be true just truth falling apart at the same speed as you, till it all comes away at 1,000,000 degrees and you're just a few pieces of fallen debris, and she's hopeful. Hopeful for me. I'm coming out of the dark clouds. And she went away and she packed all her love in. I could not believe it, how little there was in. I stood in the cold kitchen with nothing to say. Who'd keep the whole world spinning when she went away? Yeah. She kept telling me about the good things I deserved, that I wanted somebody I'd mistaken for her. But one look in my eye and she knows she was wrong, so she wouldn't look back at me until she was gone. How many times did you give all your love in? Find out it was so far from enough. I followed her out on the street in the rain, and the whole world stopped spinning and just went up in flames. And she's hopeful. Hopeful for me. Coming out of the dark clouds, she's hopeful. Hopeful for me. She says it to me often. the day started to fail. The rocks in the road sharpened shadows to nails. The fence posts were empty and so were the trees. And the bluebird of you sung its last tune for me. I've seen her around now with someone new, I don't know. She likes green-eyed boys who are haloed in hope. But I know the look in his eyes and I know all the old signs. It's just a couple more curves before his own road unwinds. These days I'm feeling better about the man that I am. There's some things I can change and there's others I can't. I met someone new, now I know I deserve. I never met someone who loves the world more than her. She's been through her own share of hard times as well. And she's learned how to tear out the heaven from hell. Most nights I'm alright, still old rocks roll downhill. But she says I'll get better, she knows that I will. And she's hopeful. Hopeful for me. Coming out of the dark clouds, she's hopeful. Coming out of the dark clouds, she's hopeful. Hopeful for me. Coming out of the dark clouds, coming out of the dark clouds. Now my work is done. I feel I'm owed some joy. Oh, Imogene and Abelard, I'm your homeward boy. But there's another one that brings me to your door. And the boat she weaved from the tidal reeds was always tied to shore. With bright smiles and dark eyes, bright smile, dark eyes. Everywhere I went, oh, I was always looking for you. Bright smile, dark eyes. I'm looking for something, but it's so hard to find. Calamity Janes and the Steamboat Casanovas and Darling Clementine. If she's your only one, then she is also mine. Just pin your heartbeat up against my heartbeat and you'll see how well we rhyme. For bright smiles and dark eyes, bright smile, dark eyes. Everywhere I went, oh,
Hang
I
on.
was always looking for
It's
you.
gonna lose Lair.
Bright smile, dark eyes. Man is only half himself. The other half is the bright thing. He tumbles on by local grace.
Are you losing Lair or are you good?
Man is ever a blind thing.
I'll lose one further up. Maybe on the bridge. Lee was looking at the map saying, what is Michael making us run along the highway? Yeah, because it was a straight line. There's a bunch of straight lines. I'm like, are we running along the high? Mike, Jesus. What is that? Oh, 6'5". Oh. So our parking is that way a bit more? That way, yeah. So yeah, because we're running back toward Hilton.
Yeah, so this is going towards Campbellville Road.
Yeah.
So you're going up the hill to the parking lot.
Are we going back into Hilton to the Bruce? Or are we cutting onto this road?
All the other girls here are
Yeah.
stars. You are the northern lights.
You dropped something, Fraser?
They try
Like he was trying to leave him behind.
through your curtain, you're too close and too bright. Well, they try and they try, but everything that they do is the ghost of a trace of a pale imitation of you. I'll be the one to drive you back